Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today is part 2 of my coffee and cardio and a bonus. So let's see what I got from Coffee Over Cardio.
I remember I ordered a t-shirt and I ordered I don't know how you say it, frother? I don't know. Okay. So the packaging looks like this. And I got a t-shirt, which I'm going to put on right now. And I got a frother. So how you say it? Frother.
I got a coffee mixer frother. That's how you say it. So let's open this up. Don't you hate it when they sell you products that don't come with batteries? This one does. Thank you so much. So this is how it looks. Open it up. Ooh. Here it is. And I'm definitely going to make myself a coffee right now.
So let's look at the t-shirts. Ooh, this is nice.
And I got a size small.
So this is how the t-shirt looks. It feels really good quality. It feels really good quality.
And I'm going to try it on. Voila, just like that, I put it on. Okay, so this is how it looks. I love these kind of styles. I think they're called baseball style shirts. I really love this shirt. I saved the best for last. My Keurig is here. I got the Keurig Mini.
I'm so excited. And I'm going to try it out. And I got the color gray. Ooh. So this is the Keurig I got. I'm excited. Ooh, gotta be very gentle with this. Alright then. Ooh, I love the smell of new stuff. Ooh, look at this. This looks very fancy. I love how it's nice and packaged. Wow. Ooh, look. I think this is like a little compartment to store your... Ooh, it is. It's to store your little curry cup. Order number 1. And they're going to go perfectly in here. Oh, wow. I love it. This is so cute. So look at this. How cute is that? It's like perfect size. And you can fit, so I put 6. I think you can fit like 9. A total of 9. Isn't that perfect? And then it comes with a little lid. Wow. And then you can put it back in here. This is awesome. I love it. Look at this.
Wow. So this is where the water goes. Let me open that too. Wow, Elias. Are you excited for mommy's coffee?
Yeah.
So it just opens up.
And then you put water in there. Yeah. Ooh. You can take this out, take it to your water fountain, and then put it back in here. And then on the back, it has the cord.
Wow. So I'm going to go rinse this off. I'm going to go make myself a coffee and I'll be right back. This coffee is so delicious. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and give me a big thumbs up for more videos like these. Until next time, bye!